In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Shizuku not running problem on your Android phone without root access and without using a PC. When I open the Shizuku app, as you can see, it says that Shizuku is not running. So, let's fix this step by step. First, connect your phone to a stable Wi-Fi network. Wireless debugging requires a Wi-Fi connection, so make sure your phone remains connected during the setup. Now you need to open your phone settings and enable the developer options. To do that, go to About Phone and find the build number. Depending on your phone, the option may be available inside Software Information. Tap the build number 7 times. Enter your lock screen password if requested and developer options will be enabled. Now go back to settings and open developer options. Scroll down and enable USB debugging. After that, enable wireless debugging as well. Next, open the Shizuku app and tap on the pairing option. Shizuku may ask for notification permission. Make sure you allow it because the pairing notification is required for this process. After granting permission, Shizuku will start searching for a pairing service. Now return to the wireless debugging settings and tap on it. Then tap on Pair Device with Pairing Code. A 6-digit pairing code will now appear on the screen. At the same time, you should receive a Shizuku notification saying that a pairing service has been found. Open that notification. Enter the 6-digit pairing code and tap Send. You should now see a message saying that the pairing was successful. Now go back to the Shizuku app and tap the Start button. Shizuku will now start the service through wireless debugging. Wait for a few seconds and the pairing window should close automatically. As you can see, Shizuku is now running successfully without root access and without using a computer. You can now grant Shizuku permission to supported applications such as Hail, KeySync, Kanta, and other apps that require Shizuku access. Remember that after restarting your phone, Shizuku will stop running. You'll need to start it again using wireless debugging because automatic start on boot is generally available only on rooted devices. So, this is how you can fix the Shizuku not running problem on your Android phone without root and without a PC.